home. The polar bear's home is covered in snow. He loves being in the sea on a floating ice floe. The tropical fish swim happy and free, living in the coral reef under the sea. The parrot makes its home in towering trees, flying so high in the rainforest breeze. The sea turtle's home is right there on his back. His shell swims with him and is tough to crack. The hippopotamus home is in the water. It helps keep her cool as the day gets hotter.